Good morning, dear students. How are you? I hope you all are fine by the grace of God, safe and healthy. I'm your mathematics teacher, Priscilla Gerald, and this is your mathematics book for class 1. So, students, today we will learn about ordinal numbers. Okay, now I will tell you what are ordinal numbers. Open your book, page number 42. Ordinal numbers. The numbers that gives exact position of an object are called ordinal numbers. Okay, now open your book, page number 44. Everyone open your books. Okay. Now you can see ordinal numbers are, look at the position. Whenever you see the positions of anything that like race, your result, that are called ordinal numbers. And the ordinal numbers are first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th. Again, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th. Okay, now I will repeat the definition of ordinal number again for you. The numbers that gives exact position of an object are called ordinal numbers. Again, the numbers that gives exact position of an object are called ordinal numbers. Now, we can learn about ordinal numbers through different activities. Are you ready? Okay. Now see, this is animal race. Now you can see so many animals are there in this picture. This is lion, horse, dog, kangaroo, zebra, ostrich, cat, snake, turtle, frog. Now we can see that which animal got what positions. Are you ready for it? Okay, start the game now. Now look at the pictures of an animals. Now see the position. Now see the positions. The lion got which position? First position, yes. And the horse got second position. And the dog got third position. And the kangaroo got fourth position. And the cat got fifth position. And an ostrich got sixth position, yes. And zebra got seventh position. And the snake got eighth position. And turtle got ninth position. And the frog got 10th position. Very good. Okay. So first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th. All these animals got these positions. So now with this animal race, you can done one activity. Are you ready for it? Okay. Now move on to first activity, page number 44. From the above picture, identify the position of animals. Now you can see the picture of this animal. Which animal is this? Yes, this is horse. Now you can take a help from this animal race. Now you can observe the animal race picture and tell me that which position horse got. Yes, Yeah, this is horse. And the horse got which position? Second position. Now you can circle the second one. Okay. The next, which animal is this? Kangaroo. Now you can observe the picture of an animal. Yes, where is the kangaroo? Kangaroo, here it is. Yes. Which position kangaroo got? Kangaroo got fourth position, and this is fourth. You can circle it like this. Okay. Which animal is this? Ostrich. Okay, observe the picture. Where is ostrich? There is ostrich. Okay, now ostrich got with which position? Sixth position. Now we can circle sixth. Okay, done. Which animal is this? This is turtle. Now you can observe the picture of turtle. Yes, here it is. Now which position turtle got? Ninth position. Now you can circle it. Okay students, very good. Now I will give you one example. We can use these ordinal numbers in our daily life also. Especially when you got your result. When your teacher announced that Ali got first position and Sarah got second position and Simran got third position. So all these ordinal numbers we can use in our daily life also. So open your book, page number 45. We will do the exercise number 2, activity number 2. Match the following. Now you can match the following with the help of the following exercise. We will learn the spellings of position also in this exercise. That we can learn the spelling of first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, 8, 9 and 10. Now we can learn the spellings also. Are you ready? Okay. Which ordinal number is this? This is first. And the spelling of first is F-I-R-S-T, first. What is the spelling of first? F-I-R-S-T, first. Now you can match it. Okay, which ordinal number is this? Second. And the spelling of second is S-E-C-O-N-D, second. Now you can match ordinal number with the spelling of second. Like this. Everyone done? Okay. Now which ordinal number is this? Third. Now we can learn the spelling of third. T-H-I-R-D, third. T-H-I-R-D, third. Now you can match ordinal number with the spelling of third. Now which ordinal number is this? Fourth. Now which is fourth? The spelling of fourth is this. F-O-U-R-T-H, fourth. F-O-U-R-T-H, fourth. Now you can match the ordinal number with the spelling of fourth. Okay, now move on to ordinal number fifth. Which ordinal number is this? Fifth. Now you can learn the spelling of fifth. F-I-F-T-H, fifth. Now you can match the spelling of fifth with the ordinal number. Okay. Now move on to second column. Which ordinal number is this? Sixth. The spelling of sixth is S-I-X-T-H, sixth. Now you can match ordinal number with the spelling of sixth. Which ordinal number is this? Seventh. S-E-V-E-N-T-H, seventh. Now you can match the ordinal number with the spelling of seventh. Which ordinal number is this? Eighth. The spelling of eighth, E-I-G-H-T-H, eighth. Now you can match like this. Very good. Okay, now next. Which ordinal number is this? Ninth. Now we can learn the spelling. N-I-N-T-H, ninth. Now you can match ordinal number with the spelling of ninth. Which ordinal number is this? Tenth. T-E-N-T-H, tenth. Now you can match ordinal number with the spelling of tenth. Okay students, very good. Now we can do the exercise number 3. Now move on to the last exercise of ordinal number. This is your last exercise of the ordinal number. Take the correct ordinal number that tells which picture is circled in each row. Now start counting. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth. How many pictures are there? Ninth ordinal numbers of picture. Now, which picture is circled? The first one. You can circle the first ordinal number. Now the second one, start counting. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth. Now, which picture is circled? First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Sixth picture is circled. Now, the sixth ordinal number you have to circle. Now, the third one, start counting. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth. Which picture is circled? The fourth. And which is the fourth one? This is fourth or this is? Yes, this is the fourth ordinal number. Okay, students. Now, one, first, second, third. Now, this is your home task that you will done these exercises with the same way which I taught you. You have to done like this. Okay students, now your home task is to page number 45, last 3 rows exercise. Next, your homework is you will write ordinal numbers. Now note down, write ordinal numbers 1 till 10 in your copy. This is your homework. Your homework is you have to do these 3 rows and write ordinal numbers 1 till 10 in your copies. Okay, thank you, goodbye, stay safe and God bless you all.